Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to our channel englishwayz. This is Hassan Aziz. Today, we are going to discuss the importance of the reciprocal pronoun, how that is used in the sentence formation in order to have the quality of writing, to prepare for any competitive level or for academics, the students who are from below 10th standard or intermediate or graduation. This topic is very useful to have, to know, to develop the quality of spoken ability. In all these factors, the reciprocal pronoun, how that is used in the sentence formation, let us discuss. Before we discuss, subscribe our channel to update your knowledge and skills. Okay, dear friends, now let us see the topic by following reciprocal pronoun. In the reciprocal pronoun, we have two levels. First one is each other. Number two, one another. What is the difference between each other and one another? Each other, we can use two people or two things. One another, more than two people, more than two things. It is very basic quality. If you know this basic quality, it becomes very easy to understand any sentence, how that is given at the competitive level, how that is given in the newspaper, or any in the general sense. And if you know the uses of each other and one another, it becomes very easy to identify the importance of the subject in the sentence. Because whether the subject is two people or more than two people depend on each other and one another. One another indicates more than two people. For example, if you see a group of people, then you take one another. If you see a group of students, then you take one another. I mean the people who are more than two, students, boys, girls, flowers, committee members, like that. Or if you see only two people, two boys, two girls, or two things, then you take only each other. Now let us see how the example will be. You and I discuss each other. You and I discuss each other. If you want to decide each other whether it is right or wrong, once you pay attention, you and I. In the subject, how many people are there? In the subject, how many people are there? Once you see you and I, there are two people. One is you, number two, I. That's why it indicates only two people, then each other. It is the right answer. It is right answer. How do you say it will be as the right answer? On the basis of the subject. We all discuss one another. We all discuss one another. One another, it indicates more than two people. We all means a group of people who sit together. A group of people who sit together. As you see, by following, we all discuss one another. It is also the right answer. Next, Raju and Ravi take it one another. Raju and Ravi take it one another. When you see the subject, Raju, one person, Ravi, one more person. How many people are there? You identify two people. When you identify two people, which pronoun is the right answer? Here, I mentioned one another. It is wrong answer as I gave you the marker. Which is the right answer? Raju and Ravi take it each other. Take it each other. It is the right answer. Okay, dear friends. Next, Raju, Ravi and Harika take it each other. Once you see the subject, how many people are there? 1, 2, 3. Raju, Ravi and Harika. I mean more than two people. take it each other. Generally, each other is used only two people. That's why it is grammatically wrong usage. How do you say that one? Razu, Ravi and Harika take it one another. One another. Why it is right one another? Because Razu, Ravi and Harika indicate more than two people. That's why one another is the right answer. Next one. Each other are ready to go there. Each other are ready to go there. Okay, when you see these two examples, each other we use it in the subjective case. Okay, each other we use it in the subjective case. Each other are ready to go there. It is wrong expression. One another is also used in the subjective case, are ready to come here. It is also the wrong sentence. What do you understand here? Each other and one another we have to use only in the objective case, I mean in the objective position like this, but not in the subjective position. If you see, unfortunately, you say each other in the subjective case, each other, I mean one another in the subjective case, both will be in the wrong usage. Because in English we don't have that kind of flexibility, we don't have that option to use each other and one another in the subjective case. Because if you apply that, it is grammatically wrong expression or it is grammatically wrong sentence. That's why here what you understand here, each other and one another we never use in the subjective position. Okay, and it is possible to use only in the objective position like this. Okay, dear friends, in the session you get to know the importance of each other and one another. Do you have any doubts? In the comment box, please mention your doubts regarding English grammar and other things. I clarify your doubts regarding of this topic or any some other topic. Okay, which you have any doubts, in the comment box you mention your doubts. I forward you an answer how that will be, how to read, how to understand your question, how to analyze the four options, how to answer of that question. Like that, I give you the easy and the simple method how to understand any sentence at any level. The students who follow, please develop yourself the quality of English language skills, how that will be very useful to develop yourself. Okay, dear friends.